Imagine the soft light of dawn. The mist hangs low over the forest floor. The air is still and quiet. Then a twig snaps. A gentle creature moves through the trees. It is a deer, its eyes bright and alert. Deer are a familiar sight in many parts of the world. We see them in woodlands, meadows, and even in our own gardens. Their grace and beauty have captivated us for centuries. Let us journey together into the enchanting world of deer. We will learn about their lives, their struggles, and their importance to our planet. Come, let us begin. From the Arctic tundra, where the reindeer roam across the icy expanse, braving the harsh, cold winds and snow-covered ground, to the lush, vibrant Amazon rainforest, where tropical deer navigate the dense, humid jungle, deer thrive in diverse environments. There are about 60 different species of deer worldwide, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Each species is uniquely adapted to its habitat, whether it be the dense forests, open grasslands, or mountainous regions. Some deer, like the moose, are giants of the forest, standing tall and majestic among the trees. They tower over the undergrowth, their massive antlers a testament to their strength and dominance in their territory. Others, like the tiny pudu, are no bigger than a house cat, yet they are equally fascinating. They dart through the underbrush with incredible agility, their small size allowing them to navigate dense vegetation with ease and grace. Despite their differences in size, shape and habitat, all deer share certain characteristics that define them as a family. They are herbivores, feeding on a variety of plant materials such as leaves, twigs and grasses, which provide them with the necessary nutrients to survive. They have exceptional hearing and a keen sense of smell, which help them detect predators and find food. And they are known for their speed and agility, able to outrun many predators with ease, making them one of the most graceful and elusive creatures in the wild. Most deer species are social animals, living in groups called herds. Herd life provides safety in numbers. It also offers companionship and support. Within a herd there is a clear social structure. Female deer, called does, lead the herd. They guide the group to food and water sources. They also protect their young, called fawns, from danger. Male deer, called bucks or stags, typically live solitary lives. They join the herd during the mating season, competing with other males for the attention of the females. Their impressive antlers, which they shed and regrow each year, are used in these contests of strength and dominance. Deer communicate with each other in fascinating ways. They use a combination of sounds, scents, and body language to convey messages. When alarmed, deer will snort loudly, alerting the herd to danger. They may also stomp their hooves on the ground to warn others. Fawns, too young to outrun predators, will lie perfectly still in the undergrowth, their spotted coats providing camouflage. Deer also communicate through scent. They have scent glands on their legs and near their eyes. By rubbing these glands on trees and bushes, they leave behind a chemical message for other deer. These scents can signal their presence, their reproductive status, or even their social rank within the herd. Section 5. The gardener's friend. Deer play a vital role in maintaining the health and diversity of our ecosystems. These gentle creatures are often seen as symbols of nature's beauty and grace. As herbivores, they are important grazers, influencing plant growth and distribution. Their feeding habits help shape the landscape, ensuring that no single plant species dominates the area. By feeding on certain plants, they prevent them from becoming too dominant. This selective grazing helps maintain a balance in the plant community, allowing a variety of species to coexist. This allows other plant species to flourish, creating a more diverse and resilient ecosystem. A diverse plant community supports a wider range of wildlife. From insects to birds and other mammals, their droppings too are beneficial. These natural fertilizers are rich in nutrients that plants need to grow. Deer droppings are a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil with nutrients. This process helps to improve soil health, making it more fertile and capable of supporting robust plant growth. This, in turn, supports the growth of new plants, further contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants, which in turn support a healthy ecosystem. While gardeners may sometimes view deer as pests, it is important to remember their ecological significance. Their presence in gardens and near human habitation is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem, one in which plants and animals are interconnected and interdependent. By understanding and appreciating the role of deer, we can better protect and nurture our natural environments. Section 6. The human threat. Sadly, deer populations around the world are facing increasing threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation and human development is a major concern. As forests are cleared to make way for farms, roads and housing, deer are losing their homes and their food sources. Vehicle collisions are another significant threat. As human populations expand and roads are built through deer habitat, the risk of collisions increases. These collisions are not only dangerous for deer, but also for humans. Climate change is also posing challenges for deer populations. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can affect the availability of food and water. Extreme weather events such as droughts and floods can also have devastating impacts on deer populations. Section 7. Protecting the gentle ones. It is our responsibility to protect these gentle creatures and ensure their survival for generations to come. We can all play a part in conservation efforts. Supporting organizations dedicated to wildlife conservation is crucial. These organizations work tirelessly to protect deer habitat, conduct research and educate the public about the importance of conservation. We can also make changes in our own lives to reduce our impact on deer populations. Driving cautiously in areas where deer are present can help prevent collisions. Supporting sustainable forestry practices and responsible land management are also important steps we can take. Section 8. A shared destiny. In the heart of the forest, where the trees whisper ancient secrets, the deer roam freely, embodying the spirit of the wild. For centuries, deer have held a special place in human cultures around the world. From the ancient cave paintings of our ancestors to the intricate carvings in temples, deer have been revered and celebrated. They are often seen as symbols of grace, gentleness, and the natural world. Their elegant movements and serene presence remind us of the beauty and tranquility that nature offers. Their image adorns our art, our literature, and our mythology. In stories and legends, deer often represent purity, renewal, and the delicate balance of life. The fate of deer is inextricably linked to our own. As we share the same environment, their well-being reflects the health of our ecosystems. We are all part of the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the majestic deer, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. By protecting deer, we are not only preserving a species, but also safeguarding the health of our ecosystems and the future of our planet. Conservation efforts ensure that these beautiful animals continue to thrive. Let us remember that we share this earth with these magnificent creatures. Their presence enriches our lives and reminds us of the wonders of the natural world. Let us treat them with respect and compassion. Our actions today will determine the legacy we leave for future generations. Let us work together to ensure that the enchanting world of deer continues to thrive for generations to come. Through collective effort and dedication, we can create a harmonious coexistence with these gentle beings.